Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a very basic topic, which is Introduction to Time Series Econometrics. So I'll just give you a background. So time series is nothing. It's a specialized branch of econometrics that deals with data collected over a period of time. That means time varies and you collect data over a period of time. Unlike cross-section data, which observe multiple entities at a single point in time, time series data flows a single variable or data series over multiple time period. So the most important aspect is that we collect data over a period of time, and the variables or the entities can be fixed. So that is the most important aspect. Now, before we jump into the dynamics of time series econometrics, let us quickly understand what exactly we study in econometrics. In econometrics, what happens? We start with the CLRM model, and then we discuss two variables, then multiple variables. So in the beginning, we discussed data, which is more like cross-section data. And once the cross-section part is over, we shift or we move towards time series econometrics. So very important question to anyone that why we study time series econometrics. I mean, there are many, you can say that points. We study econometrics, time series econometrics. These are some of them are listed here. So first of all is we understand economic and financial phenomena. Through time series, I mean, we understand the dynamics of economic and financial systems in any particular country, such as GDP, inflation, unemployment rates, etc., etc. That is number one. Then we also use time series for forecasting future trends. So basically, we try to understand what is the current trend, and then we try to forecast the future. Time series is very important technique for forecasting. Another area in finance, especially, which is risk management, or how using time series variables, how we can calculate risk, calculate stress testing over a period of time. So that is one area we study time series. Another could be evaluating economic policies. So you know that every government make different policies. So while making policies, they want to understand the relationship between variables and the long-term relationship between variables. So that they can make policies accordingly. So time series is definitely useful for policy making purposes. Another is we know that environment is a major issue these days. So just to find out data or variables related to environment or social trends. Um, Another is practical application and skill development. So there are many actually. Uh, we can list why we study time series econometrics, but I'm hoping that you get the basic idea about uh, why we study time series econometrics. Some of the applications are, I mean, like similar economic forecasting. We can use time series data, financial market, environmental studies, business and marketing, etc., etc. There are many. I mean, wherever you have variable and that variable, the data is collected over a period of time, that there you can say that that area you can use time series econometrics. Now, this is very important aspect that what are the challenges we face while doing time series analysis. The first and the foremost concept is the data has to be stationary, but in majority of the cases we find data is non-stationary in nature. That we are going to discuss in the subsequent videos, that what is stationary, what is non-stationary, why it is so important. We are not going into much of details at the moment. Another problem with respect to time series analysis is autocorrelation problem. Now, autocorrelation is also called as serial correlation, or like the error terms are related over a period of time. It shows a pattern. We have already actually learned what is autocorrelation. but existence of autocorrelation in time series analysis is very much there. So in majority of the cases, we find this problem exists in time series data or analysis. Then, of course, there is a possibility of multicollinearity. Uh, there is a possibility of heteroscedasticity also. Uh, of course, problem related to model specification, or there can be a structural break. So these are the very basic ideas about time series data or time series econometrics. This is the first lecture in the series of time series analysis. And definitely we are going to learn lots of aspects of time series data or time series econometrics in future. So keep on listening to the videos, and whatever doubts you have, you can write into the comment section, and I'll try to maybe answer those in the subsequent videos, or through comment also I can answer. So keep on watching the videos and stay updated with the channel. Thank you very much for listening. Hope you got the basic idea about what is time series econometrics. Thank you very much.